To the rocks! To the rocks!
Charlie! 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 Charlie!
This is a bag of dicks. We're out of ammo and we have to blow that cave.
Come on, Gums. Don't lose faith. We are definitely effed up beyond all recognition. But we are not out of ammo.
All I got is this damn pop gun, that's it.
The bag is full, and it's ready to blow. Think outside the box.
By God, you're right. That'll scramble a few eggs.
Oh, no. That'll make a big frickin' omelet is what that'll make. Now, how do we get to the chopper without getting eaten alive?
There's a herd of cattle out there. If we run with them, we can get lost in their seismic signatures.
What? That's your brilliant idea to run?
When the sun rises in Africa, you better be running.
You ready for this, old man?
You better step on it.
Consider it stepped on.
Not too far now.
Easy, horse. She'll be back.
All right. Let's poach some eggs.
Scramble.
My bad.
Oh, hello. These big pods hold 16 rockets each. Looks like he loaded 10. Oh, this is gonna ring their bells.
It's a bit of overkill, don't you think?
If you're gonna give him the horn, give him the horn.
All right, enough of the 60s.
Hey, I like that song.
Come on, where's the Tupac? Burt doesn't love the old hippy-dippy free love stuff, does he?
Takes me back.
Back to where?
Back before I met your sorry ass.
Back to a gun show in Florida?
What do you know about Florida?
We're burning daylight.
All right, laser designated, locked on target.
What the hell? I thought you were a dead man.
Swallowed by that wide broad. She was about 10 meals ahead and 20 craps behind. So she spat me out!
Spat you out?
Yeah, I tickled the insides of her belly a little bit.
Been there, done that, my man.
The bitch is back.
Let's get out of here.
Buckle up, boys.
Come on, let's go. Lock it up. Lock it up.